Hello everyone, today we are introducing 4x2 yellow and black cage dump truck. It is equipped with a wechat 260 horsepower engine, mated to a 10-speed manual transmission. It delivers abundant power for climbing slopes under heavy loads. It is fitted with heavy-duty axles rated 6.5 tons at the front and 13 tons at the rear, paired with 1.00 R20 6-ply reinforced heavy-load tires. The tires offer strong traction on bumpy, winding mountain roads, with outstanding shock absorption and load-bearing capacity. The cage cargo body measures 6,700 by 2,380 by 2,300 millimeters. For business owners with demands for mine long-distance freight and industrial and mineral material transportation, feel free to send us a private message. For inquiries, see you next time.